unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
To calm a dog during thunderstorms, create a safe space where your dog feels secure, such as a quiet room or under furniture, equipped with their favorite toys and bedding. Play calming music or white noise to mask the sound of thunder. Desensitization training gradually introduces storm sounds at low volumes, helping your dog become accustomed to the noise. Comfort them with cuddles if they seek reassurance, but avoid overly coddling to prevent reinforcing fearful behaviors. Consider anxiety vests, which can provide a sense of security. Consult your vet about anti-anxiety medication if their fear is severe.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.